Hello friends, today's detail is a 2009 Cadillac CTS. It's actually a very beautiful car. I love Cadillacs, and this car is actually in excellent shape. It is not extremely dirty or anything, but it did need a little bit of attention. The customer wanted me to focus on the front seats where there was a lot of rubbing, mostly, and I would guess from clothing and so on. So I did put in a lot of extra effort there. So we'll see if I'm able to get some of that out. So with the interior of this car looking absolutely fabulous, I didn't really need to do much. So I just focused on the little details, removing the dust, touching up in places where the driver's hands will touch regularly, like the gear shifter and the steering wheel, and just got it cleaned up. So after cleaning the dash and getting rid of the dirt and the dust, I use the Meguiar's Supreme Shine, Instant Shine. I like this product because it doesn't leave a greasy feeling to the surface. I got started on the seats. I used my OxyClean with 2 drops of Dawn dish soap in 32-ounce bottle, and then I used the steamer. Then I came back later and used the extractor. I was able to get about 99% of the stains out. I'm going to check with the owner in a couple of days and see how they're looking. If I need to, I will go back and finish them off. But it did really good. I was very pleased, and that also told me it was probably just rubbing stains. So in just about 2 hours, the car is done, looking great. The seats were still wet when I finished up, so I went ahead and got an after picture with them even being wet, but you could tell that a lot of those stains had come out. Anyway, I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and if you'll take a moment to like and comment and subscribe, I would love to have you. And until the next video, we'll see you later.